In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import passwords to Bitwarden. We'll walk through the web vault so you can bring in your saved logins quickly and keep everything organized and secure. Start by opening the Bitwarden web vault in your browser. Once you're in your vault, look toward the top navigation and open the Tools menu. This is where Bitwarden keeps utilities for moving data in and out of your account. From that drop-down, choose Import. That takes you to a dedicated import page designed to accept a file and place its contents into your vault. At the top of the import page, you'll see an option to choose a folder. This is helpful if you like to keep items grouped. Maybe you want all the new entries to land in a specific folder right away. You can leave it as is if you don't want to sort during import. Bitwarden will still bring in everything, and you can reorganize later. Next, find the data section on the page. This is where you'll tell Bitwarden what kind of file you're providing. Open the file format dropdown and pick the format that matches your export. In this walkthrough, we'll select Bitwarden CSV. Choosing the correct format is important because Bitwarden uses it to map fields like name, username, password, and notes to the right places. Now click Choose File. Navigate to the CSV you've already exported and saved on your computer. If you're coming from another password manager, make sure you've exported using that tool's instructions and that the file is not open in another program when you select it. Remember, CSV files can contain sensitive information in plain text, so keep the file in a safe location and avoid sharing it. With your file selected and the format set, click Import. Bitwarden will process the file and add the items to your vault. Depending on the size of your CSV, this may take a moment. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation and your entries will appear in the vault, and if you chose one, in the destination folder. If you notice any warnings, they usually indicate a format mismatch or a missing column, so double check that the selected format matches the file you uploaded. That's it. You've used the Web Vault's Tools menu to import, set an optional folder for organization, chosen the correct file format in the data section, selected your CSV, and completed the import. Afterward, it's a good idea to glance through a few entries to be sure everything looks right, and then securely store or delete the CSV from your device once you no longer need it.